how to import and export crosshair codes in Valorant. So first, you just simply need to open up your settings. So open up your settings, go to Crosshair, and let's say you already have a code that you want to import. So you just simply need to click on the import profile code right there and paste the profile code right here on the box. Then just simply click on import. As you can see, import profile is done, and as you can see, my crosshair suddenly changed. And that is the imported profile that I've just imported. And if you want to export a certain crosshair, so let's say you want to set it to your friend, you just simply need to click on export profile code. And as you can see, profile copied to clipboard. Now you could paste it on their normal, send it to your friend. And to see that if it works, I'm just gonna click on import profile code again and paste the profile code that I've just copied right here on my game. As you can see, it is still the same since I've copied this profile code right here and just imported it right there. And that's basically it.